Hello, and welcome to Distance Learning Week 1. The purpose of this video is to review expectations, routine, office hours, and to introduce where to find materials for this course. First of all, the expectations. Students should log in every day to check in on their classes, attendance, and complete any daily work. Stay in contact with your teachers. We can't see you, and it's important for you to communicate confusion or misunderstandings with your teachers. Deadlines for each week's work will typically be the following Monday. Do your best to adhere to deadlines, but make sure to communicate with me if you have any issues. For the work, do the best you can. This is new for all of us, and flexibility and understanding are key. For assessments, if you are taking a test from home, you are on your honor. If notes are allowed, use them. If notes are not allowed, put them away. If you are allowed to work with another person, do that, but if not, work by yourself. Use the time allotted and complete the test on time or communicate with your teacher. Do not share the questions or answers with anyone that has not taken the tests. I will post messages, work, or otherwise on Schoology every day no later than 9:30 a.m. It's important to establish a routine. Find a space in your home where you can accomplish your distance learning tasks. Please let me know if you need anything from me to help you be successful. Make a schedule and follow it each day. Be flexible with that schedule as needed. Make sure you take attendance every day with your PAWS teacher via Schoology. They will very likely have more information for that for you. My office hours are from 10 until 1 p.m. every school day. This is your opportunity to ask any questions, make up assessments, or let me know any other concerns that you have. You are of course welcome to message me at any time, but these are the hours that you can expect a more immediate response. Where to find materials. As usual, you can expect to find any materials and assignments on Schoology. I will do my best to make sure that these items are clearly identifiable and that instructions are clear. Once again, however, if you have any questions, please let me know. Finally, do the best you can, stay safe, be flexible and understanding. I miss you all and hope that you are doing well. Take care.